Hello, today's microlearning will show you how to manually install and load the plugin to your device. A prerequisite to loading the plugin is to having a production version of ATAK and the Wickr Enterprise or AWS Wickr application both operational on the Android device. If you do manually receive the APK, you will then need to manually import it into ATAK. First, copy the Wickr plugin or the APK to your device. Open ATAK. Click the three dots bars in the top right. Icons will be shown. Click Import. A pop-up will appear with Select Import Type. Choose Local SD. Navigate to where you saved the Wickr plugin APK on your Android device and select said plugin. Follow the prompts to install the Wickr plugin. Remember to toggle Allow from the source to the right and on. Once the Wickr plugin is done installing, you can then access the Wickr plugin by clicking the three-dot menu at the top right of the ATAK application and scrolling down to the Wickr plugin. That is today's microlearning. Thank you.